Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm gonna draw a tender coconut. The supplies I'm gonna use are a pencil, a eraser and Faber-Castell Polychromos. First, let's start by drawing a circle. Draw it lightly as possible. We can use a fine liner and make it dark. Next, add 3 big curves and add lines. Then draw 2 slanting lines and connect it. Then draw one oval shape above it and draw a smaller oval. Then we can draw a straw. First, make a line, then curve it to the right, then add some lines to the straw. Now we can add some lines. We are going to color that with a walnut brown. Add a S line and do the same to some places. Now I'm using a fine liner and drawing the outline. First, take your Venetian red and color the edge of the curve. Do it to all 3 curves. Then make the edges darker. Next, take your walnut brown and remember the lines we draw. Draw over with the walnut brown the lines, over the lines. Fill in the S line. Now take your light green and start coloring in the bottom. Color it very lightly so we can do layer by layer. color the edges darker. Now take your earth green yellowish and cover the edges totally with it. Next, take your warm grey too and we color the Venetian red, color some parts and the oval also. Color it darkly. Also the straw. First color the edges. Make sure your pencil is really sharp. And color it in lightly. Now take the light green again and do multiple layers of it. Layer 2. And take the earth green yellowish and do the same. Now take your black and color in the oval. And now let's draw a shadow. Take your pencil and draw an oval shape. Draw the shape what I drew. Now take your black and make it darker. Then take a burnt ochre color if you have one and color the top where is white. Color it in. This is the finished drawing. See you until next time. Bye.